So, if you want to advance to the mythical age or the fourth age in Age of Mythology, you need to select certain units, you need to create a fort or a palace or however it is called. It's the same type of building for every civilization, and once you create it, the cost of the fort is going to depend on the civilization, but once you create it, you will be able to go on the city center and click here. This will be unlocked, and once you have enough resources, you'll be able to pass to the next age, which is the mythical age in this case. Now, it needs to be noted that if you lose the palace, you will still be able to advance to the next stage, so you just need to create it once. I will prove it. Now, here is not red anymore, but if I destroy it, I can still advance to the next stage. I hope you liked this video, leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.